In front of me, DOOGEE S95 Pro, and I'll show you how to customize quick launch on this device. So if you know, we got here the function key on the left side, and now it's deactivated. So I'll show you how you can manage this. For example, here when you will open the settings, you'll see here the settings and a function. Tap here on the function, and here just select the smart key. So you got here the one click, double click, or long press. So if you want, you can make it, for example, by on the app. For example, we'll choose the Google Chrome, and now if you press once on this key, you will open the Google Chrome application. Okay, the second way, for example, if you wanna make it by double click, now we can just, for example, open the Gmail with a double click, and as can you see, we get here the Gmail opened. And now, for example, with the long press by the same way, you can, for example, open the flashlight. So if I'll press for a while on the bottom, I'll activate the flashlight. And now to turn it off, repeat the action. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.